Hi friends, welcome to our channel English Learning. In this video we learn meaning of perhaps in English and Hindi with example sentences. If you found this video helpful, then please hit like button and share this video to all. Perhaps, used to refer when you are not sure about something.
Perhaps का हिंदी अर्थ होता है शायद, कदाचित, संयोग से, हो सकता है या मुमकिन है. Perhaps we have met before. शायद हम पहले भी मिल चुके हैं. Perhaps you are right. शायद आप सही कह रहे हैं. Perhaps I have not expressed myself very well. कदाचित मैंने खुद को बहुत अच्छी तरह से व्यक्त नहीं किया है. If you are watching this video on YouTube, then please subscribe to our channel, or if you are watching it on Facebook, kindly follow our page, and also don't forget to like and share this video.